Here, I'll get a video of that one. Which one is that one? Which one is that one?
I see our golden eggs. Aren't our eggs pretty?
Yes. What is that one? It's got a...
It's the gold paint.
Oh, okay.
It wouldn't dry. Okay.
Okay, hold on. Here we go. Here we go. Wait. Back it up.
Are you ready? Here we go.
Oh.
You're on the egg. Stepping all over this. Come on, Carly.
The paint bad. It's heavier. Yeah.
Oh.
Here we go.
Okay.
You got it. You got it. Nice.